Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are on it. We are on it. Valve covers off. There go oil pan, some heads for another 5.3 I'm working on. But there go the transmission. It's an AWD all-wheel drive 460E. And I'm just taking this apart, y'all. Trying to get it ready. Oh yeah, for y'all that don't know. 6.0 baby. So we finna get it out, get it clean, take it apart, machine shop, and we gonna see what we got. All right, y'all, let's work. Let's take it apart. And make sure you keep up with your bolts. These are the Valipan bolts. And these are reusable. Now, you gotta remove the knock sensors. Show you what I'm talking about. Those are your knock sensor. It's one right there, it's another one right there. So you gotta remove those. And that is a 22 socket. Voila. They out. You can reuse these if you like, or you can buy new ones. I don't use them. Y'all see, I got these pistons out. And here's the block. Yo, those lifters, man, they were stuck in there so bad. It was hard getting them out. But the cylinder walls, man, you could tell this was a good running motor. But whoever had it just didn't. They just didn't take care of the oil changes, man. Like, you have to change your oil when you get a car. You see all the sludge on it? Like, that's oil. It's filthy. But y'all know how I do. When it gets finished, it's gonna be phenomenal. Look at this. I think that's a gasket that was stuck in there for the most part. But, yep, big 6.0. Gonna be stupid when we finish it. She'll have about, we're gonna shoot for about 700 horses. That's the goal, y'all. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get it popping.